Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haved here again at Symco, the Weekender. It's going to be a wild time. These are some of the mini bikes that they have racing here. A lot of these are custom mini bikes. Look at the side carburetor mount with the hot air filter and Duramax. And this one here is pretty nice too. It's got wheelie bars on it. Is this yours? That's pretty cool. It's got wheelie bars on the back.
I got rid of the one I had that should have had wheelie bars.
There's another race one. This one called a Viper. There's another one. Now these aren't your normal mini bikes, folks. He's got Vice Grip Garage sticker on there. That is cool. Yeah. And then, you know, just everywhere you turn, it's an awesome vehicle. And we got this one here. It's like laid down and stuff. It's got the wheelie bar on it too. And this guy's got it set up with a real small tire in front. And then he's got a mud tire in the back, and he's got a wheelie bar on it. Looks like it's ready to go. And let's take a look around here. We got some more. There's another one in 99. This is a 74. It's got a Honda 6. How's it going?
Same shit every day.
Do they have a size limit on the engines on these?
Yeah, there's this is like under 13 horse open, so this would be teenagers.
Okay.
And then opens generally have
the opens have electric motors?
See on that one where no way to start it.
Oh, I see.
That big box right there.
Oh, okay. That's how they start this, it says. I didn't realize they had all different classes. It turns into an expensive ordeal, huh? This one says slick on it.
I run gassers and gold hot rods, and I can't even do a half a motor for one of these hot rods.
Oh, yeah.
They're about $3,000 really.
This one looks nice.
That's brand new.
Brand new, huh? Well, good luck with it.
Yeah, we'll see if it stays together.
Yeah.
This thing will turn about 10,000 RPM.
Wow. This is a nice truck. Well done. It's everywhere you turn, there's something cool. We got another one. This one has got the high handlebars on it. That's we go over here. This one, the Performance Center. It's got set up nice. Okay, we got some more racers here. I thought it was just a bunch of cheap mini bikes, but like that guy said, they got electric motors and stuff. Some of these, they got a lot of money invested into these mini bikes. Yeah. There's like an old rough mini bike. These are some serious ones here, folks. They got them on there. And that's the bad car. They brought that in. Everywhere you look, folks, something cool. There's a grist mill, there's a sawmill. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to watch some of these mini bikes race. If I can get a spot in here. Nice car here. But Ricky Bentley, really another nice car, but I'm trying to find a spot where I'm not going to be bothering people.
I think it was last year. I was walking like this, still recording. I caught one. I was like in frame.
Chevy.
Parker Phillips from Plainfield taking a bracket run there. He accidentally ran that motor without oil, believe it or not, and it's still working. That's a tight one, but it's Milo Wagner again at the line.
That's the stage there.
That's
awesome.
Super Bowl. What an upset.
Trying to find a spot where I can see, but I'm not doing too well.
Yeah, okay. All right, we're going to hold for a second. That's the one. We're going to hold. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry for taking
You can see the crowd, folks. It's packed. I had a hard time finding a place to film. They got a hay bale. Is that the finish line?
Yes.
This lady needs some shorter shorts. So are you going to be in the contest? No? You dress like it kind of for fun, right? Sorry. That's like my international hat. That's for fun. There they go. A couple mini bikes flying through. And it looked like the little guy won. Oh, they have a time? This is the smaller class, huh? Yeah, I didn't realize they have electric ones.
Do they?
Yeah.
Really?
I was
didn't
talking.
know that either.
I was talking to a guy over there, and he was saying that they're the fast ones.
Really? Huh. I didn't know that either.
Yeah, and I asked him. Well, he said they got a class. It's like 13 horsepower, one of them.
Okay.
And then they got other classes.
I think there were 7 total, wasn't there?
7 classes.
That's what I heard.
I don't know. First time I've been here. I've been to the Thrasherie, but not to the
Car show?
Yeah, there's so much here, man.
That's a lot to see.
Yeah, it's great though because a lot of car shows are boring as hell.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they offer
It's
nothing.
got a little different vibe to it.
Oh yeah.
Burgers? Let's go get you a burger. You're withering away. Take care.
Yeah, nice talking to you.
Well, you got the girl right now. And then I
I
was
guess
like
this
telling
guy was saying they have 7 classes. I didn't realize this mini bike thing was that big. But
that's what I was like.
it's not just little kids. All right, we're going to hold that right there because they're taking a break.